You can expect a lot from the 2011 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.